So once we have our barrel done, I'm going to make a pallet so we can set the barrels on type of thing. Again, I'm just going to start off with a cube, and I'm going to drag a long rectangular base out and just add in the height. It's going to be quite slim, something like that. I'm going to hold down Shift D. I'm going to duplicate that and move it over, and then hold down D, and it should follow that pattern. Do it 2 other times. Then I'm going to marquee, grab those 4, Command D, bring that down. And now what I want to do is get 3 thicker planks of wood going across the middle. So I'm going to Command D this. Just bring it down. It's in the middle. So move it into the center and scale it so it fits. Seems to be okay, so I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to Shift D and duplicate that. We've got one on either side. And that's our pallet done. So we could group these together now by just going Mesh, Combine. You'll notice the pivot point moves to the center of the scene. To stop that, you just go Modify, Center Pivot. And if you ever want to separate these, all you have to go is Mesh, Separate again, and then go Modify, Center Pivot. So the pivot is in the middle of each one of these. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some edge loops on this here board of wood. Insert edge loop tool. So you can see it's still colored there. Just press B to get rid of my sound select. So I've added around 6 or 7 there. I'm just going to go to the top view. I'm going to grab some of these points upward and move them down. So it looks like it's been broken up. Then I can rotate this. So it now looks like the pallet's kind of been broken. I'm going to stay with that theme. I'm going to delete this here one, and the ones at the top I'm going to slightly just rotate, just to make it look like it's been in use. It's not been very well looked after. There we go. So after that, just grab everything, Mesh, Combine, Modify, Center Pivot. And now I can scale this into my scene, place barrels on top of it, and after that we'll add in more props.